Hi guys, my name's India Russell and thanks for checking out my napkin presentation. Today I'm going to briefly talk about something that gets me excited every time I talk about it, and that is the travel industry. Now, the number one reason why I love travel is simple. It's an $8 trillion industry, so we can agree that there is lots of money to be made. Another reason I love the travel industry is the simplest, easiest way you will ever start a business. Only costs one-time investment fee of $150. Now, once you pay your $150 one-time investment fee, this is the only industry that allows you to become CLIA and IATN certified. And once you gain those credentials, you also gain access to things like hotels. Now, I'm sure you, as well as me, know someone that's going to have a birthday this year. Yes? Of course. So now you can save the money on a hotel and get paid when they go there. The same goes for rentals, flights, cruises, and five-star resorts and condos. Now, the great thing about being a travel agent is once you become a travel agent, you will start traveling like an insider. So let's use for example purposes. Let's say I could get you to one of my favorite places, Dubai, for $400. Not only could I get you there, but you can take up to 5 people with you. You already paid for the trip, which means you now have 4 open slots. Do you realize that once those 4 people pay you this $400, you can now take that money and put it straight into your pocket now? So you just made 400 times 4, and those people love that price because it's way cheaper than they'll get it anywhere else, all because you're a travel agent now. That's huge. Another huge thing is any of these items that are booked on your personal website, either by you or someone else, you're now making 75% of the commissions on something that you or someone else is going to do anyways, right? Now, here's a little fun fact, but it's not so funny. 68% of all people who only work a job or multiple jobs do not even have $1,000 in their bank account. Hopefully that's not true, but this is a true statistical number, and the main reason is because most people spend all their money or any extra money that they have on entertainment. Now that you're a travel agent, you now have your own Ticketmaster. We have access to sports, anything sports related, NBA, NFL, you name it, comedy shows, concerts. If you know anyone with children, you can get them access to a play now. And not only will you save yourself money going there now, you're now making 15% of the commission off of something that you or someone else was going to do anyways. Now, if you do not know anything about business, I will enlighten you and let you know that you should start a business where money is being spent. And because I told you that this is an $8 trillion industry, we can agree that people are spending money on travel. Now, everyone always wants to make their initial investment back, and I'm going to show you how simple it is that you can do that. So, per conversation, you can make anywhere from $50 to $90 per conversation. Now, the magic number that you need to make your initial investment back of $150 is 3 people. You need 3 people to have simple conversations about travel. Everyone wants to do it, and you've now made your $150 back. And now you're profitable. Now, let's just use, for example purposes, let's say you want to make $700 next week. I can show you how to do that. It's based off of our very simple system. And our system is basically just a numbers game. So let's just say 20. You had 20 conversations about travel. Nothing else, just travel. And because we live in a skeptical world, let's say 10 of those people are going to tell you no. However, law of numbers, 10 of those people are going to tell you yes. So think fast. 10 times 70 is how much? $700, guys. Now, what's huge about this and what I want to point out is most people in the world will go and get a second job, a second boss to make the same extra $700. What if I could show you how to have conversations about travel to make the same $700? Of course, you would want to do that. Now, the greatest thing about this business and why I love it is because of our overhead. Every business has an overhead, a rent. That's what makes it legal. Our business only costs $2.25 a day in an $8 trillion industry. $2.25 a day breaks down to be about $69.95 a month. And if you decided to work with me and my team, we could teach you how to follow the system and help build you a team of about 10 people. And now your overhead covers itself. You'll never have to pay for your business again. And the greatest thing about that is if you're looking at this, you don't want to build a business, you don't want to sell travel, those are the two main things that we do. You don't have to do either or. You can do either or both or none, and still have the opportunity to travel the world for more, for less, at always wholesale, never retail. And not to mention, you're now making 75% commissions off of something that you, your friends, and your family were going to do anyways. So if this sounds like something that you want to know more about, please get in touch with me and at least let me know one thing that you liked most about what I just went over. The travel industry is awesome, has lots of different outlets, lots of money to be made. I'm looking for like-minded people who want to start their own business, travel the world, save money, make money, and just live and love life. So thanks for checking me out. India Russell, contact me.